How to fix the Instagram reset algorithm option is not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to reset your algorithm on Instagram via this button, however, it's not available on your account, here are the ways to fix it. First of all, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram and tap on Update button if it's available. Sometimes the feature could be temporarily unavailable, so you can check for the Instagram's Help Center or social media pages to verify if the feature is live. However, since some features are experimental in that case, it would be better to join the Instagram beta program. This way, you will get the region specific features as well. If this does not help, remove and uninstall the Instagram to refresh settings. Then install it back again and you should be good to go. However, if nothing works, you have to go to app support and tap on email. Once that is done, mention your issues to the Instagram support team. Also, make sure to include a screenshot of the trouble. Additionally, make sure to go to Instagram app info, storage and cache and clear the cache for the temporary glitches and corrupted files. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.